You are going to love the 2024 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.